Okay, so see it.
You're not. You're literally not in the frame.
So I just move it back.
Hold up. Let me raise it a little bit. Cause it's showing too much of the floor. Watch. Here, let me go stand right there.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm over here. There's no neighbors to complain and shit. So I can do the two-step sound thing and see if any flames comes out of this shit. Even though only one. So let's see how it sounds. Let's do like a little quick test and test this shit. Okay, so here's the VR. It might be like a new design or something because I've seen other ones and they have like different thing. Maybe like because of this 25 anniversary or whatever. So it's basically the same from like the other ones, just the rev limiter, the two-step, and the gain. Right now I have it set at 2 on this for the two-step, and the gain at B. I'm gonna be messing around with this, see which one sounds better. So let's see how it sounds with this setup. I already hooked up everything, so it's hooked up to the e-brake for the two-step right now. So when I have the e-brake, it's gonna stop wherever I have this one set up. If the e-brake's down, it's gonna stop whenever at whatever RPM this one's set up. E-brake setup, normal, just rev limiter. So let's see. See if we can lower it. It's on 1. Let's make the gain faster or whatever. This is probably not good for the engine, just so you guys know. This is like the lowest gain or highest. I don't know which one's which. Then it goes to A, B, C, D, E, F. It's got like its own little setups and shit. Let's see A. That's A. Let's see B. C. D. I like D.